What if I told you there's a place where time stops? Dreams are engraved into stone, and the impossible is brought to life. In a world that often rushes to finish things quickly, this masterpiece has taken over a century and still needs to be completed. It reminds us that some of the most incredible things in life take time. Join us as we explore this wonder of the world, a place where every column has a story, every detail a purpose, and the spirit of one man's vision lives on, inspiring millions to believe in something greater. Welcome to La Sagrada Familia.
Welcome to the most iconic place in Barcelona, La Sagrada Familia. So if you're in Barcelona, you know what to do. Book those tickets and get inside La Sagrada Familia because I promise you, it's an amazing experience.
This is the second episode of our Barcelona special. In our last episode, we explored the vibrant Pueblo Español, celebrating Spain's rich culture and architecture. Today, we turn to one of the most iconic landmarks in Barcelona and the world, La Sagrada Familia.
Here's a fun fact. Sagrada Familia started building in 1882, which is 100 years before I was born. Then, Antoni Gaudí took over in 1883. Since then, Gaudí is the one who took over and decided to make it like this. Now, it's a lot of explanations about the towers. It's a total of 18 towers. The one that you still see that they're building is the one that is called the Tower of Jesus Christ, right? That's the reason why they still build it. In the back of the Sagrada Familia, they have four. The four represent the four apostles that were close to Jesus, right? That's what they told us inside. This is what I read about. And then while we show you inside, guys, you will see how amazing it looks and how Gaudi used nature to inspire himself in building this beauty, which is one of the wonders of the world. And here we are, the majestic
La Sagrada Familia.
Correct. Doesn't matter how many times you see this, guys.
Never gets old. It's always impressive.
You're always impressed. It's so impressive. So let me show you guys. You need to make sure that you book your tickets ahead. 69 euros per person for a guided tour inside the Sagrada Familia. So once we're inside, we'll take you in with us. So we made it inside of the Sagrada Familia, and they give us audio instructions for this with some headphones for the guided tour.
Yeah.
They're very strict with everything. Like, you're not allowed to wear a cap or sunglasses.
Yes.
You need to make sure the short pants are not wearing either because they're very, very strict. And yeah, we're about to start our tour. We're very excited because I think the best part of the Sagrada Familia is inside. So we're looking forward to it.
I'm super excited.
The Nativity frontage celebrates the joy of life, the birth of Jesus. Every detail is meaningful, from the abundant plant life to the animals and people surrounding Christ. This frontage embodies Gaudí's love for nature and the creation of life itself. The tour is very detailed with the story about Gaudí and how he believed in everything. They have lots of reference about the Bible and how the four evangelists and the apostles and all this. So yeah, it's very religious orientated how the meaning of each sculpture is explained on this tour. Very detailed, love it. In contrast, the Passion frontage tells a sad story, the suffering and death of Christ. Gaudí wanted those who stared upon it to feel the weight of sacrifice and loss. The lines are sharp, The figures are thin, and the fading light evokes sorrow and redemption's high cost.
Guys, the experience of La Sagrada Familia, it's amazing. It's definitely a shoot must do in Barcelona. Make sure you book your tickets in advance because that's really important as well. Once you come here, I promise you, you will be speechless. I don't really go to churches or basilicas, but this is one of a kind.
It's a must.
It's a must.
Inside, you cannot imagine how Gaudi was inspired by nature, right?
Yeah.
He really used nature as a motivation and inspiration to build this and create this. So this is the entrance, guys, and I really need to show you how the top looks like. Here we have the sunrise all the way up. We go here, which is basically not noon, but just like the present, live in the moment. That's how Gaudi wanted to interpret things. And here we have the sunset and night. That's how he interpreted the colors. Now, I want to show you here. So this place right here is the center of the church, all right? Right here is the center, and from here, I want to show you the perspective of everything, all right? I will try to cover as much as I can, so let me show you.
This is more than a building. La Sagrada Familia is a living monument to the power of human vision. It stands unfinished, a work in progress, just like all of us. As we leave the magnificence of Gaudi behind, we are reminded that no dream is too big, no idea too outstanding to be achieved. But this is just one chapter of a journey. If you enjoyed this episode, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel and let us know in our comment section what do you think of Barcelona so far. In our next episode, we'll venture to Montserrat, where natural beauty meets spiritual wonder. Get ready to explore the mountains that have inspired pilgrims and explored for centuries. So join us as we uncover the mysteries and majesty of Montserrat. This is it for today, and ciao for now.
Thank you.